Hey everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and have we got news for you. Mini USA has confirmed that the Paul Smith edition will be launched in the United States, and production for the US market has already started. So what exactly are you going to be getting with the Paul Smith edition? Well, let's get started by diving into the recent press release from Mini USA. The new Mini Paul Smith edition combines Mini's iconic design with Paul Smith's famous design language, classic with a twist. This special edition for the entire Mini Cooper family captivates with its unique look. The appearance and details of the vehicles not only showcase Paul Smith's unmistakable style, but also the playful, optimistic, and independent spirit of Mini. Now, while we aren't going to be getting the electric Cooper SE in the US market, we are going to be getting the S version. And as for the details on this particular car, the Mini Cooper S Paul Smith edition features another color developed especially for this edition, inspired white. The roof in exclusive Nottingham Green ensures an unmistakable look and adds a fresh contrast to the external paintwork. The roof edge on the driver's side is a real eye-catcher thanks to the colorful Paul Smith signature stripes. Additionally, along with inspired white and midnight black, an exclusive color is also available with the special edition known as Statement Grey. In contrast to the three body colors, Nottingham Green, inspired by the British designer's hometown, adorns the side mirrors, octagonal radiator grille, and wheel hubcaps with Paul Smith lettering for all color variants. 18-inch night flash spoke wheels with tinted clear coat in dark steel give the Paul Smith edition a dynamic look. The interior, which is the same in all variants, features nightshade blue seats and black knitted surfaces with tone-on-tone striped patterns, exuding understated British elegance. Once the car door is open, a light projection welcomes the driver with a friendly hello. This welcome is complemented by Paul Smith's central message, "Every day is a new beginning," on the door sill. Another creative interior centerpiece is the textile band on the 6 o'clock spoke of the sports steering wheel in Paul Smith's signature stripe, a characteristic design feature that underlines the British designer's unmistakable style. A hand-drawn graphic of his trademark rabbit adorns the floor mat, emphasizing the Brit's sense of humor and complementing the interior design in a stylish way. The Paul Smith edition will be available in the US market starting in the second quarter of 2026. Be sure to check out this channel for a future review when one hopefully arrives at my local dealership. And I'm hoping it does, because that would be a cool car to take a look at. But based on the photos, I think it's going to be a pretty interesting special edition, and one you might want to own. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.